M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed.
What up, fam? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dale.
And I'm Jazz.
And today we are coming at you with a seafood stuffed salmon. Before I let you know what this wonderful spread is,
make sure you subscribe
and hit that bell to be notified
every time there's a video.
Because that bell ain't ringing, then your phone won't be singing. So if you don't see the parentheses on the outside of that bell, then that means you won't be notified when we drop great food videos like this. So let's get into this food.
Yes.
We got some seafood stuffed salmon with crab meat, scallops, shrimp, homemade whipped up. We got some asparagus, some rice, and some Jimmy Nick's inspired cheddar biscuits. What have you guys had to eat, or are you eating with us? Even if you had something to eat, you know you're supposed to have a snack.
And how y'all doing today? Man, baby been talking about this. I can't even tell y'all how long. But I know a long, long time. About an extra crunchy. Here we go.
Sorry, fam. Tried to get y'all a clear bite.
I said, babe, tell them what's all in the salmon.
I thought I did, but got some shrimp, scallops, crab meat, some Gouda cheese. Normally I use smoked Gouda, but there wasn't any.
Good.
Shredded Parmesan cheese.
Too good.
Sauteed bell peppers.
Anybody ever had stuffed salmon before? Y'all, we've been working. And we've been trying to respond to all of you guys' comments.
So we're trying to double tap, fam.
Man, it's good. I thought you had chopsticks. I thought you had chopsticks.
Not today.
We ain't playing today. And them is good on there.
So very.
Well, it's November, y'all.
What are you looking most forward to this month?
What you thankful for?
And whatever it is, don't just wait for Thanksgiving.
You know, that's really why we don't, I don't want to say we don't celebrate holidays, but we just don't make them a big deal anymore because
We try to do it year round.
Every day is a holiday.
Hi there, Janice. But yes. So we want our kids to know, like, year round, that we're thankful for them.
And that we're a family.
I said just straight having them looking forward to this one holiday. Give year round. Be thankful year round.
Celebrating.
Year round.
Because tomorrow's not promised.
Who said the next second is even promised?
It's not. Man, y'all.
Well,
I might finish my food today.
you were working, so I had to. You edited, uploaded 2 videos. At least I could do a set us up record too.
I've been having
Teamwork,
fun
man. Teamwork.
with this seafood.
What do you guys think is next?
It's gonna be a nice day 7.
Well, it took me day 1. Week 2.
Are we not going to 7? We're not going to 7?
Our off day is included in that, babe.
Gotcha. I don't even think I'm gonna put a day on it. I don't.
Seafood week extension.
Seafood week. Yeah, I know what it is.
Like the popcorn bites.
And you guys just keep asking about my tooth.
No.
I'm not going to get it taken out yet. It hurts, but it's not unbearable. Okay.
Why did it get that far?
Don't start with me, babe.
I'm just saying, if it's unbearable, then that means you're in pretty excruciating pain.
Yeah,
So why would you want to get to that stage?
Because then that means...
That's torture.
Because that means I don't have no choice. Right now, I got
Try
choice.
this again.
Come back.
Ooh, look at that fella. There y'all go.
Have a bite. This was good, babe.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Sometimes you gotta whip out old goldest.
Yeah, I really don't even eat salmon at home. Don't taste the same. But this is good.
I should have used my planks.
I was just about to say something about those. We two in sync. Where they at?
In the kitchen down here in the drawer.
Whoever asked for asparagus, here you go.
We on the vegetable prowl.
Y'all have been enjoying the premieres. We gotta go live sometime.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I like it. I thought nobody was gonna be able to make it to the premiere because it was Halloween.
Well, we used them wrong, huh?
Mm-hmm. Y'all showed out. That's right, y'all our fam. We made it to 2K. All of us, fam. You.
Together.
If you share our videos, you are regionally at 2K.
Because you be listening when we say sharing is caring.
Mm-hmm.
We don't just say it for a dramatic effect.
I think I'm going for.
Because think about it. If I'm doing all I can to produce and make the content and network how I can, if you have different friends than I, wouldn't that mean your shares will help while I'm trying to create content?
And if you like what we're doing, and you know we think we're being positive, let somebody know. That we can share knowledge. Sharing is caring.
Because over here around these parts, we like unity.
Okay. I'm full. Look at that. Can y'all see the cheese in there?
Your hand too off. I can't do it with you.
Again. My hair keeps sticking up. I don't care. Food good. And the thumbnail I already took, so it don't even matter. That was delicious.
And thanks for the Asparagus.
And I'm stuffed. Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. I'm stuffed with stuffed salmon.
Mm-hmm.
And now I got a snack for tomorrow. It's gonna be good.
Oh.
And now I'm gonna use this. We talking about cause you finna finish yours.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. Lemon was good too. I think I am gonna finish my asparagus though. I like the veggies. Okay, so y'all saw Brussels sprouts and asparagus. What else kind of vegetables?
Because as y'all see, our vegetable palette is a little bit different.
We eat them all. But you juicy on them, man. Oh, well. We did put them on the grill, so it's soft.
It's still small right now. Don't let it fool you.
Oh, I know it is. Mine. Got a lot too. It don't even look like I squeezed mine.
Nope.
I could probably eat all them cornbreads. Take it away. I'm a bread junkie. This sounds terrible, but sometimes I can even eat hot dog buns. But gotta be the good ones, the soft ones. But even ate a Fritz like love bread too. Mommy, I want some bread. I just like bread.
Why you do that to my baby?
I don't know. You can't say I did.
I have nothing.
Now I need a nap.
At 4 o'clock in the morning.
I was like, y'all, you gonna tell them to sleep? Y'all. So y'all will never guess what time it is. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all know we work late. Children sleep. Baby Elsa been asleep all day.
He ain't been playing.
Yeah, I think
He having growth spurt.
Yep. I most definitely think he having a growth spurt.
He gonna be walking tomorrow, y'all.
Y'all, he already trying to walk. Walk, run. All that. Man. I'm so full.
So that means you don't want any more asparagus, huh?
You can give me one? Which one? The end of these things is tough today. Did you eat your ends?
Yeah, that's the only one left.
I can chew them things up. Where you got them from?
Publix. Oh, hey, fam.
You got that video?
I didn't necessarily forget. I ain't looked up.
I said nothing, sorry.
Straight for the gusto.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe.
Okay, it's there.
The boys gonna eat them tomorrow on bread.
Can't make it even.
Make sure you guys give the video a big thumbs up. I guess it's time to let y'all go. Until the next video. Love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys.
You excited about the food?
No, I'm excited that I love the fam. Screenshot.
Boy.
You fool.
No, that was good.
It was delicious. Delicious. Delicious and nutritious. It was. Maybe at the cornbread.
It was nutritious. Well, ooh, drop a piece of rice.
Full of protein.
It was delicious too. So it fit in.
I gotta tell you,
Even the salmon was high in protein.
Let's see, where's gonna go?
I want to finish my rice.
My head just keep on sticking up. Whatever. Okay. Bye, fam.